How to remove a partition on a USB drive. I got a free promotional USB stick that I want to format for my own purposes. When I inserted it, it automatically opened a browser and launched a website. I have since disabled autoplay on this computer so that nothing launches when the stick is inserted. But it still shows up as two separate drives, and one of them is a CD drive that I can't format. How can a USB stick contain a CD drive, and more to the point, how can I remove this partition using Windows XP or Ubuntu? Update. I previously asked for an XP solution, but finding none, I have tried Ubuntu, also without success. Gparted doesn't see the CD portion as a device at all, and from bash, any command changes I try tell me that the file system is read-only. Any ideas?
Use the HP USB disk storage format tool to format the USB drive and remove all partitions.
Sounds like this is a customized U3 drive. U3 is a technology that, along with functioning as a normal USB data drive, also can emulate a CD-ROM station. The virtual CD-ROM partition cannot be modified normally and is not bannable in the traditional sense. However, it can be modified and even disabled with specific tools. To remove the virtual CD-ROM drive, you would need a U3 uninstaller available at broken link redirects to a different domain. You should also be able to remove it under Ubuntu. With the help of this URL, I would recommend trying the latest version. The one that came from the Ubuntu repositories did not work on my U3 USB stick. A note of warning though, the U3 tool above is not guaranteed to work on your specific drive, and may, though it has not happened to any of my drives before, mess it up. Use at your own risk. I would recommend using this as a backup if the official U3 uninstaller does not work.
Use the HP program for flash disks located at this URL. If you can't find it there, Google for HP USB Disk Storage Format Tool. It is the HP format utility for flash disks, but works on any brand of flash stick. It automatically, as part of the format process, removes partitions.
My problem USB stick was from U3. It showed as two drives as noted above, a large FAT32 and a small write-protected CDFS partition. Normal Windows management or DOS format did nothing for the CDFS partition. Kept telling me the CDFS partition was write-protected. The solution was to open the launchpad.zip file that was on the small partition, select the uninstall launchpad.exe file in the zip, and run it. Can do that from within zip, no need to unzip to anywhere. This utility warns you gently about it removing data, but what it is saying is that the entire USB stick will be erased. Works like a charm though. After program completion, I now have a single readable FAT32 partition USB stick. It simply formatted the entire stick into a single partition drive.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.